have an idea. Let's build a secret room. Sounds like a plan. Come on. This spot is taken. Hi. What about here? There's no room for you.
What?
Whatever. There's already a secret room as well.
What?
You are trespassing on private property. The stairs. Yeah. That's a perfect spot. But first, we gotta get rid of all this clutter. There's so much trash. I've been looking for this bike for a month now. Ah! There's a spider! No more webs. Done! We nailed it! I know a way to decorate our room with a view of New York. That's not enough skyscrapers. I'll add more. Great! Whoa! I love it! No! Why would you do that? I have lights, and we'll make New York shine. Check out what I found. More lights. Awesome. I'll put them up on the wall. What's taking so long? Yeah, wait a second. Colin, are you there yet? All done. Whoa, that's beautiful. Now let's bring in the mattress. I got blankets and cushions. It's so cozy in here. What should we decorate the stairs with? What are you sad about? I ran out of creative ideas. I've got plenty. Let's decorate the stairs with Pac-Man characters. We did a great job. This painting doesn't go here. A vanity table is something I could really use. It's so plain. A rainbow tinsel curtain would be just the thing. This is way better. I'll turn this pencil organizer into something actually useful. I'll glue a cork to a cup and wrap it around. We got ourselves a brush stand. It can hold all my makeup. The wall looks way too empty. I know. I'll make a vision board. I'll cut out magazine pictures of things that make me happy. Then glue them onto cardboard. Now I have to make sure I worded my wish just right. Board, don't let me down. I know. Our secret room will have a fireplace. Dip a piece of foam rubber in paint. And the bricks look legit. I'll glue it over here. Add some wood. And cut fire out of red fabric. You just have to turn the hairdryer on. Just like that. My fireplace is done. Rug, check. Beanbags, check. No, I spilled water. I know what to do. That'll come in handy. It seems too small. You didn't get it. We need a hanger. Hot glue the edges to make the base.
What?
And on top of that, we glue an old painting. Now we have a coffee table. You won't spill anything on yourself again. That's mine. I found a suitcase. So what? I'll tie it to the stairs with a rope. What do you think of our screen? Let's watch Troom. These ribbons could make a perfect handrail decoration. Almost there. A snake! Gotcha! I'll fasten the pipe over here. Nice! The pipe is so weird. Put candy in.
What?
All right. Bullseye! Whoa! Candy pipe! That's so much fun! So, ready to start? Cut corrugated cardboard. Glue on bars. Spray paint. And we get storage boxes. And we found a spot for them. These ocean creatures will make a boring wall more fun. And you better watch over the place. This is our ocean world. I'm ready to ride a wave. No, Colin! Stop! Whoa! We found a closet! Guys, would you like us to build a secret room in a closet? comment down below.